Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport for those of you who want to come in person and take a look at something. Today, we're going to talk about our latest edition, which we're getting new stuff all the time right now. We have a 1966 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. Now, I thought these were really neat cars. My dad had a 65. This is a 66, and this is such a great color. Yes, you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start, a walk around, give you more details. And if you want to, you can click on the link in the description, and that'll take you right to our website where you also have pricing on this car, more information, and have access to over 100 additional vehicles we currently have on our sales floor. Odds are Ellingson Motor Cars has your dream car just waiting for you to give us a call, 763-428-7337. But check out that website, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you'll have cars from the 1920s all the way up into the 2000s beyond. You never know. We could, like I said, just have that dream car you're waiting for right here. Well, let's get into the details. This 1966 Impala, you know, Impalas came out in 1958 and they're going strong, whatever. I mean, it still has a great following. They always make sure to let you know that it is a super sport. I mean, that's always one of the things that they do. Chevrolet was good at that, other companies as well. But sitting under this hood is an upgraded 350 V8 with the FiTech fuel injection system on it. So you got a little more performance under the hood, hooked up to a ever reliable turbo 350 automatic transmission. So you really have the best of both worlds. You got a little extra performance. You got the turbo 350. Plus someone has always added two other nice features, three nice features. You have power steering, you have power front disc brakes, and you have air conditioning. I mean, I understand air conditioning is one of those important things to have in warmer climates. Even if it's a convertible, when it's too hot outside, when you have a car with black guts, convertible with air is always nice. You know, bright red paint, I mean, it really would stand out in a crowd. Any car show you'd go to, people would be gravitating towards it, just wanting to take a look at it. The big thing, of course, we always remember 1966, they didn't have radial tires, but now with the radial TAs available and whatnot, with the beautiful rally wheels, with the chrome beauty rings, I mean, this thing really rides nice. The radial tires, just such a vast improvement, just in handling, safety, and durability. I think that's just one of the biggest improvements. A lot of these cars that people don't remember what it was like to have just the old bias tires. But take a look at the inside. Of course, it's the SS package. You got the bucket seats. It's got the center console with the automatic shifter right there. Even has the rally gauges. Upgraded stereo system, so that looks like it has a Bluetooth and whatnot. But other than that, it's very, very stock inside. I know this is brand new. The seats have just been redone, restuffed. Oh man, they feel good. That's going to be a nice one. Beautiful power top, of course. Nice boot on here. And of course, dual exhaust. But the biggest thing, always people say, well, how can you tell a 65 from a 66? Well, for the most part, the Impalas always had the three taillights. Well, in 1966, they went with the three, but they made it square. So if you really need to identify a 65 from a 66, quickest way to do it right there. The other nice thing about these cars, they have a nice sized trunk. If you're like me, it's nice to get a couple of sets of golf clubs in there, go out to the local course, shoot a few rounds, and you got lots of room for that. We used to smuggle people into the drive-in movies in these cars, but that's a long gone, bygone era, if you know what I mean. The other thing is, remember, the gas filler is behind the license plate. I mean, if you look down the sides, you know, you wouldn't know where do you put gas in it. Well, it's right behind the license plate. But yes, beautiful new boot. Boy, that really is nice. That is just a nice addition. And like I say, the bucket seats are in exceptionally nice condition. In these eras, everything was an option. I mean, I'm just looking. It's got the dual outside mirrors. That was an option that you had to do. You know, obviously the SS package is something else, but it always shows right here. You always knew when you were looking against it, the Super Sport package says it right there. Now you can find all of these cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and TikTok as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much, and you have access to all the information on this car, our current inventory, and kind of as a fun other bonus, some of the cars we sold over the last several years as well. So if you have time to peruse those websites, by all means, take the opportunity to do that when you're sitting at an airport or you're sitting in a doctor's office. It's kind of fun to think about cars other than what else is going on in the world. But yes, 1966, I still like it because you got leg room. It's comfortable for us guys that are a little more tall than I like to admit to. And the people even in the back seat with the seat belt and everything, you got nice. It's a great car for riding around with friends and whatnot, going to the local car show, going out for ice cream and whatnot. Would be a fun car. Now, the other thing that I always recommend whenever you buy a car, be it a Chevrolet, be it a Ford, Studebaker, Hudson, Packard, you name it, join the local club. I always say there's always a local Chevrolet club. In this case, go to one of the meetings, meet Mr. Wrench, find the guy out there that knows everything about all these older Chevrolets. It's always nice to have one of those guys that you can ask questions to. Now, you can call us. We'll do as much as we can to answer questions about the car prior to you owning it, but once you own it, I always highly recommend that. The other thing that we can help you with is if you're saying, I've never bought an old car, how do you go about financing? Well, we have the ability here to get financing arranged. All you have to do is go to our website, and on the top toolbar, on the main page, home page, it says financing. Click on that, fill out the application, and by golly, if you have any other questions about that, by all means, give our financial advisor here. She will more than be happy to work you through that because some people want to have longer terms. They have more money for down payments. Let us help you answer some of those questions. The other thing that everyone says, well, I don't live in Minnesota. If I come to visit, how would I get this car home? Well, we can assist with shipping cars all over the United States. For that matter, all over the world, and we have done that. We have shipped cars to many, many countries overseas as far as Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand, you name it. We can assist you. So don't let that stop you if you happen to be seeing this on YouTube or one of the other, mediums out there. We can get cars shipped any place in the world for you. Now, if you're like me, it's probably something that you say, I really love the video. It gives me a good feel for the car, but I want to come and look in person. Well, by all means, we're happy to have you come down to Ellingson Motor Cars. We are open to the public Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. Just give me a call to let me know that you're coming. I think we always appreciate that very much. For those of you who want to, make sure it's real. The other thing we can do a FaceTime if that's important to you or whatever. I'm not going to be able to come, but I'd like to make sure that you're real. Very good thing. If someone isn't willing to do a FaceTime with you, right away, you better run the other direction because there's probably something that's on the up and up, if you will. But we're happy to do that if that works for you. And the technology's out there. Let's use it if we can. I'm not very good at technology, but that's why I like the older cars. It's very basic, very simple. You open the hood, there's actually a motor in there. I can see it. You put it in gear and it drives and whatever. And this one's got nice options. I think that's really, really something fancy that works out good because we do get used to power steering and we get used to, power disc brakes and we like air conditioning and whatnot. It just makes your enjoyment of your collector car a little more fun in this era of car. Granted, the older cars didn't have all those options, but this particular one was nicely optioned. Well, if you have any other questions about this particular car or any of our cars in inventory, by all means, give us a call, 763-428-7337, and we'll do our very best to answer your questions for you. Well, if you're looking for your first, muscle car, your first collector vehicle, why not get a convertible? Why not get something that anybody can jump in, turn the key, drive, and a red car? I'll tell you what, it's going to stand out in a crowd. So if we can be the people to help you get your first collector car or your 100th, hey, give us a call. Like I said, we're here to help. Thank you again for watching our video. We appreciate it very much, and we'll see you next time at EllingsonMotorCars.com.